today's video, we are unboxing our Ipsy PR boxes. Now, if you guys are new to these particular unboxings, Ipsy does send this box over with the Glam Bag, the Glam Bag Plus, and sometimes their Refreshments are in this box as well. So in this box, you're going to see some different brands and items that you will see in your Ipsy bag. So before we jump into the video, as always, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess. And it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. My boy is like bebopping in and out of the room, so you're probably gonna hear noises, but mom life, everybody's here. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so a fun fact, I'm on a tangent. I filmed 3 prior videos that you guys will probably be seeing very, very soon, if not next week. And in that video, I talked about my makeup and the fact that my thyroid is having a flare-up and I'm brain fog central. So real quick, let me go ahead and talk about what's on my eyes before we get into the box, because you guys know, your girl tangents. So I do have the Natasha Denona Trio Chrome palette on, and I did have on, let me show you guys. You'll see it in the next video. This is the Gerard Cosmetics Metal Matte Grape Crush with this eye look. The only reason I took it off is because my boy and I were going out for ice cream, and it was a little too much. Camera, okay. Out in public, Anyways, just felt the need to tell you guys all about that. I'm telling y'all, not enough caffeine in the world is helping this brain today. At all. Just to show you guys how the boxes do come, if they come in PR, is everything is kind of just chucked in here, so it's a wing it, play it by ear game. So I do see in here our Ipsy Glam Bag. Now these are $12 a month, and how cute is this? And I do purchase the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus, as well as the Ipsy X, which is quarterly, oh Lord Jesus. Anyways, Haley and I will be back to do Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. Make sure to go over and check Haley's channel out. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. She will also be receiving the Ipsy PR, and the past couple months, our PR boxes have been completely different. Anywho, this is a $12 bag. I'll be back with my paid for bags as well as with Haley. So jumping right into the bag, I do believe all the items are in here. Sometimes there will be like an extra floating around in here, but again, it's kind of hard to tell because the postcards or the little things that we get, it's not like detailed for them. So the first item I see in here is a highlighter, it looks like, by St. Lux, and it's in the shade Rose Quartz. Let me show you guys what it looks like. I am going to try and over on my Instagram use some of these products for you guys as well. So make sure to give me a follow over on Instagram. It's just at HotmessMama04. I am going to pop up my QR code over here, and if you guys just hold your phone up to the screen, it'll prompt you. It's the camera, sorry guys. Hold your camera phone up to the screen and it'll prompt you guys to go over to my Instagram. This is pretty, and I think I already have this, or Haley may. This is actually really beautiful. It's kind of like a champagne-y color, and it does have a mirror in here as well. I mean, that's really nice. Again, this is a $12 bag. The next item in here is by KVD Beauty. This is the Lock-It Translucent Powder. Again, this is one I already have in backup, so I'm not gonna open this one. I'm gonna go ahead and share the love and put this in a future giveaway for you guys. So, and you do get a really good amount in here as far as that goes. It says 1.4 grams. Moving on to the next item in here is by Coco Kind. It's a resurfacing sleep mask, and again, it's a good amount, and you can tell, like, well, I mean, I can tell from holding it up to the light, it looks like it's very, very full. It's an overnight mask with plant-derived retinol alternative. I don't think I've ever tried this brand out, but if you guys have, let me know your thoughts down below. And then the next item I see in here is by Sela. It's a Seed to the Skin Scrub, a natural grain polish exfoliant. don't know what's going on with that. It's kind of busted. It's a cute little packaging. Now, typically we see about 5 items in here, and that is all I saw in the bag. So I'm assuming the other item is floating in this box somewhere. But so far, those are some of the brands you will be seeing. If you guys are interested in signing up for Ipsy, I will make sure to leave my referral link down below. It's not an affiliate link. It's just a way that you guys could sign up for Ipsy, and Ipsy will know, like, hey, Rhonda sent you over your way. When you sign up for Ipsy, you will also get a referral link. Make sure to share it with your friends because you will earn like little Ipsy reward points to use in their, like, I don't even remember what it's called, but you can use those little rewards to purchase things in their little Ipsy store. So let me jump into the items in this box. This has me excited. So Refreshments is also something that Ipsy is now offering that is monthly. And can I just tell you guys, last month they did send the razor and the shaving cream over, and I love them. I absolutely love them. The shaving cream is absolutely amazing, and the razor with the refillable blades, it's so bougie, and it's like $11 or something for the Refreshments, and they have different things that you can choose and add on to your Refreshments. So I've tried the body lotion, the hand lotion, the razor, the shave cream. I love everything. And the nice thing about the Refreshments body lotions or the shave creams, they are scented, but it's not like an overpowering scent. It's just perfect. So I love that Ipsy is offering that, because if you're not into, say, the deluxe size little $12 bag of makeup as well as skincare products or hair care products, you can go straight to the Refreshment side of Ipsy and do a little shopping, doing add-ons and all of that. So the next item I see in here, which is new to Refreshments, is their deodorants, a eucalyptus julep, and it does say in here, I'm trying to see if it has antiperspirant. It's not. It doesn't have antiperspirant, which is good, because you guys know I only use natural deodorant. I have for about 7 probably years now. I had a hard time with antiperspirants. It smells nice, smells really clean. I mean, just glancing over the product, the ingredients in here, it looks to be pretty good. All day airy protection, aluminum free, yay. Baking soda free. I have issues with deodorants that have baking soda in there. Do you guys too? Because I felt like a weirdo for the longest time. People were recommending, I forget what brand it was, and I'm like walking around like this with my pits on fire. I'm like, I can't do it. This is baking soda free. So again, this is something that you can add on to your monthly Refreshments. It says it leaves you feeling extra fresh, and again, from the ingredients, just scanning over them, does look really good. So I'm excited about that, because this does smell good. It almost smells kind of universal too, so that's cool. Holy moly. Oh, this has me so excited. Okay, this is funny. So sticking with the Refreshments, I was literally just thinking today when I was taking my shower after my workout that I would love to get a Refreshments body wash. And here it is. It's amazing. So this is the Citrus Spritz, which I'm assuming is going to smell like their body lotion. And it does. It's actually a little bit softer than the body lotion. This is a good amount, 10 fluid ounces. It's a pearly body wash. It cleanses and moisturizes at once. Doesn't strip natural oils. Always vegan, free of parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. Our skin-friendly products are cruelty-free, clinically, allergy, and dermatologist tested. The star ingredients in this body wash is shea butter, vitamin C, and olive oil. So that's great. This is going to, I know, be one of my best friends, because I've been telling you guys, if you've not tried the shaving cream, I get out and my legs already feel moisturized, which if you guys don't know, I am like a huge body lotion fiend. Like, I probably go overboard when it comes to body lotions. And even if I feel like I don't need it, I still slather it on. But I was really amazed. Okay, sorry. I've tangented long enough. Oh my goodness, what is this? There's another one. This one is an unscented. So if you don't want a scented deodorant, Refreshments is offering an unscented one, which again, aluminum free and baking soda free. And how pretty is this? You guys know I love I love pink. I mean, it says unscented. I'm still gonna smell. It's unscented. Okay, there's that. Really excited about that, and definitely make sure to check into the refreshments option. Okay, so here is what I think was the 5th item for my glam bag, which again is the $12 bag. This is the Way leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff. I actually do use this. The one I have is in like a rose scent or something, but I love Way, and Ipsy or subscription boxes in general is a great way to get bougie products on a budget. I mean, because this alone, like full size, it's a pretty pricey item. So this is a really good amount that you're getting here. You're getting 0.84 fluid ounces, so you're gonna get a few uses out of that. So I believe all the next items, I don't think that was proper grammar, but whatever, are all of the Glam Bag Plus. Now the Glam Bag Plus is $25, and it is a monthly subscription, and you actually do get to customize 3 out of like the 5 items. And I was really excited because, not for the plus, I think I forgot to get in there for that one, but for my actual glam bag that I pay for, I actually got to make my choices and shop add-ons. And I did pick up the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in Light. I love this foundation, guys. I actually mixed it with my Urban Decay because the Urban Decay one is a little too dark for me. So if my skin tone is a little off, mind your business. I'm going through it today, okay? I don't want to hear it. But anywho, you do get to customize every single month your $25 bag. So nothing is in my bag, but when it ships to you, your bag will be full with the products or the brands that I'm talking about. It is a cute little drawstring, and it's actually, oh, it's cute and it's lined. This one is actually lined, so this is really nice. Nice little thing with these bags, guys, is if you do get to travel, like I used to be a flight attendant, I used to use bags like this to put like undergarments and stuff in. So just something to think about, and they're good for like re-gifting little cutesy things and stuff. So the first brand that we're going to talk about today is by Item. This is the One Hit Prime Set and Refresh Dewy Finish Face Mist. One thing that I have learned is to not try face mists if I have more videos to film, because the last time I did that, I went overboard, and whatever brand it was that I used, it was like a month ago or something, it broke my makeup apart. Fortunately, I have no more filming to do today, so I shall be trying this. So as far as the mister goes, oh, it's nice. Not really much of a scent. Yeah, I think it's unscented. I don't smell anything. Oh gosh, you guys can see my face don't match my skin. Whatever. Anyways, that feels really comfortable. Prime, so you could use this as like before you apply your makeup, set and then refresh throughout the day. As of right now, I don't feel like it's too dewy on my skin. It's actually pretty comfortable. So that is the first item, and again, this is for the Glam Bag Plus, some of the brands you will be seeing this month. The next is the Bella and Argent. I don't know. These are all going to be full-size items, y'all. So this is an eyeshadow palette. Let's see. I love eyeshadow, if you guys don't know. So this is what the case looks like. Very, very nice. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that. Oh, that is just gorgeous. These are really pretty. Like really, really pretty. I have to touch. We've got a pressed glitter in here. You guys, I'm not afraid of those. I'm no longer afraid of those. I mean, look at me. I'm wearing green eyeshadow. And before I had Grape Crush lipstick on. This is so pretty. Ooh. Ooh, this is gorgeous. And they feel, I mean, I know swatches don't tell the full story, but I mean, these are gonna be beautiful. So again, follow me over on Instagram. I've tried to be so much better about either posting videos or at least makeup looks for you guys. So I will definitely be using that. The next item in here is the Purely Silk Glow BB Base primer. I love HAILEY'S. It's great. Oil-free satin sheen, natural glow finish, extends your makeup wear for all skin types, even sensitive skin. And again, it is a full-size product. How cute is that? It matches the BB cream. I like that. I'll definitely be playing with that. Another item in here is by Florence by Mills. It's Glow Ya Lip Oil. Oh my gosh, I've heard so much about this lip oil. Oh, this is really cute. I heard it's absolutely amazing. I have the Marc Jacobs lip enamored or something like that on right now, so I'm not going to put it over top of it, but I will definitely be trying it out. I think maybe Hailey has gotten it before or something by them. I don't know. I know we've seen this brand in our Ipsy before, and it's cool because it's actually kind of newer to the market. Okay, and then the last item in here is by Moda Brushes. How cute is this pink set of brushes? You get a total of 5 brushes in here for the eyes, and a great way to grow your brush collection, guys, is definitely subscription boxes. So that is everything that was sent in my Ipsy PR package. Thank you to Ipsy for sending this over my way. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. I cannot wait to test out these refreshments. Again, I'll be over on my Instagram playing in these makeup. If you guys are interested in the makeup that I do have on, I will link and list it all down below for you guys. My top is, of course, from Torrid, one of my favorite places to shop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to stick around and subscribe. Also, check me out on my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I do a lot of plus size fashion hauls over there. I have 2 Torrid videos that will be going up this week, and then next week we got a fashion to figure and a Shein haul coming, another Forever 21. Like, your girl is embracing these curves. Like, thyroid, you want to mess with the hormones, that's fine. We're just embracing it. So anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.